In regulated industries, quality and training are inseparable. The procedures your team follows, the audits you prepare for, the changes you make, all of it depends on people being trained on the right information at the right time. So why do most organizations manage them as two completely separate systems? When a document is revised, here's what typically happens. The QMS approves the new version, then someone has to remember to update the training, download the document, upload it to the LMS, rebuild the course, figure out who needs retraining, assign it, follow up. Every one of those steps is a manual handoff, and each handoff is a point where something can be missed. An employee trained on an outdated procedure is a compliance liability. In a disconnected system, that happens without anyone realizing it, and it's consistently one of the top drivers of FDA 483 observations. FDA inspectors and ISO auditors are looking for three specific things. Was the employee trained on the correct revision? Was training completed before they performed the task? And can you prove they actually understood it? That last point is where ISO 13485 Clause 6.2 goes further than most organizations expect. It doesn't just require training records, it requires evidence of competence. For high-risk processes, a read and acknowledged signature isn't enough. You need a documented competency assessment. That's a higher bar than disconnected systems are built to meet. When QMS and LMS operate as one system, document approval triggers training automatically. No handoff. The controlled document becomes a training asset in the same action, with competency assessments attached. When a CAPA identifies a training gap, the corrective training is documented in the same record. When an SOP is revised, retraining is triggered immediately. And when the auditor asks their question, it's one report, pulled in minutes, showing every employee, every version, every competency result. That's the difference between audit anxiety and audit confidence. eLeaP is a unified QMS and LMS platform built specifically for regulated industries where quality events and training records are in one system, connected natively. If you want to see what that looks like for your specific workflows, we'll set up a sandbox configured to your industry, your document types, your job roles, your compliance requirements. Get your access today.